Guys, in this video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this SEESii 2-in-1 folding collapsible hand truck. Let me show you how this works. Stay tuned. Let's see what we have here. All right. Heavy package. Okay, look at this. Heavy duty hand truck made in China. Heavy package, it sure is heavy. Let's unbox this thing, see what we're dealing with. Let me tell you what I think I'm replacing. So I love Costco, and I saw this at Costco and I thought, I'm gonna buy this because I need a hand truck, I need a dolly. We got a great community of families around where we live. If someone's moving, we all help each other. Everybody chips in, everybody helps out. And one text that always comes whenever we're helping somebody move stuff, move furniture, move in, move out, is, hey, does anybody have a couple dollies, some hand trucks that we can borrow? So I thought, I'm gonna buy one so that I can have one. I bought this guy from Costco, and let me just tell you, it is so weak. It just does not have a lot to it. Let's say I'm moving a washer, dryer, something big. Look, this is just not very strong at all. Even with just my own pressure, I can almost break that thing. So I am hoping that this new product is a much better, much heavier duty version of this. Let's unbox it and find out. Right out of the gate, this feels a lot heavier. I think I've got some casters right here in this bag. Let's see what we're dealing with. Oh, cool. Okay, I think what's happening is with this guy, you can actually put your appliance, you can put your thing down here, you can close this all the way. I think we have wheels that we can attach to this so that we can roll it on 4 wheels rather than 2. Okay, so we've unboxed our main item here. That has got some weight to it. This thing feels super heavy duty, but still looks like it folds down. Very compact. So easy to store, easy to stow. I'm loving it already. All right, let's take a look at what we got. Looks like we have here some bungees. We have our instructions, and what I'm guessing are some wheels or some casters that probably just snap right in to the bottom here. I'll bet I don't need to do too much assembly. Oh yeah, and you've got 2 that fold out. Let's get rid of our materials here. Let's assemble this thing. Okay, it looks like I have all the tools and hardware that I need on this to get started. How about we set a timer just so that we can figure out exactly how much time this takes to assemble. Alexa, start a stopwatch. And go. Check this out. Pushes these wheels out, and now I'm guessing that these other 2 wheels are probably just gonna go right in here with my nut. That wheel goes on. I can tell that this wheel has an automatic brake, so you can just hit that with your foot, and we'll go ahead and put this other one into here with our nut at the bottom. Okay, and that took 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Just under 3 minutes. Now let's test it out. Let me show this off. This is so cool. Okay, so much better than that cheap Costco one that I got. All right, so I've got my dolly here. Now, let's say I want to use it like a traditional dolly. Well, watch this. I have these 2 little tabs. Wheels fold up, they lock in, and I have 2 tabs here. Extend this, check it out. Okay, so if I wanted to move this little piece of furniture, I could use this like a traditional dolly. I've got it, I can move it around, but what if I'm like, oh, this thing is really heavy, I want to be able to move it freestanding. What I'll do is this move here. I'm going to do the opposite of what I just did. I'm going to take these 2 tabs, pull it down. I'm going to take these 2 tabs right here and I'm going to unlock these bottom wheels. And now what I have is something with its own base. Check this out. I can take my furniture and I can move it easily around the house. Now, what if your furniture, you say, is too big for this little spot right here? Well, no problem. This guy folds right down like that. So I can take something even bigger, place it on top, move this guy around. Guys, I love it. While we're in this room, let's test it out on this big piece of furniture right here. And this looks like a traditional piece of furniture, so let's go ahead and use this like a traditional dolly. I'll take this part and I'll snap this, close it, take these two and extend it, and I'll take my bottom piece and bring that out. Take this guy, look at that. So easy to move this around. Look, I can do a 360. I can wheel it right out of this room like it was nothing. Say I'm done with my project. I want this to stow. So what I'll do is lift up this bottom part, these feet stow together, and look at that. Look how compact and tiny. This can fit almost anywhere. I love it. You're gonna love it. Check a link in the description or in the top pinned comment for where to buy this. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next project.